Hey, and welcome. Ever fixed a bug in a production and thought, we should have catched this earlier? That moment usually comes with stress, frustration, and sometimes a few late night Slack messages. But beyond the stress, there is something more dangerous hiding underneath. The real cost of late testing. Here's a simple rule. The later you find a bug, the more expensive it gets. A defect caught in a unit test might cost minutes to fix, the same defect caught in QA costs hours. And if it's all escape all the way to production, it can cost days, sometimes weeks, plus unhappy user, lost trust, and even reputation damage. Studies shows that fixing a bug after release can be 10 to 100 times more expensive than catching it early. Let's slow down and unpack why this happens. When an issue reaches production, you are not just fixing the code. You are investigating logs and behavior, coordinating between teams, preparing a hotfix, redeploying, testing again, and calming down frustrated users. All of this time that could have been spent building something new. Now, let's flip the story. If we shift testing left, meaning early in the development process, we catch those same issues when they are still tiny and cheap to fix. It's like spotting a loose screw before the engine start making noise. Why test early? We catch small mistakes before they grow into big problems. We keep delivery plans steady. We avoid last minute panic. We get faster feedback to adjust scope. Teams see fewer fires and trust naturally grows. Here is a simple example. Imagine you forgot a basic validation. A required field isn't checked. If you have a unit test covering that flow, the bug is found within minutes, you fix it on the spot, done. If a QA find it, it takes a few hours, reproduce, fix, test again, and maybe wait for another deployment. But if a customer find it in a production, now it's 1, 2 days of work. You fix it, test it, redeploy, monitor, respond to support tickets, and explain to stakeholder why something so small slipped through. Multiple that by 10 bucks or 100, and suddenly your team is spending weeks firefighting instead of building value. So how do we actually shift left in real life? Not just in PowerPoint slides. It starts small, really small. Here are some practical steps. Embed testing into your definition of done. A feature isn't done unless it's tested. Automate the happy part first. You don't need 100% coverage on the day one, just cover what matter most. Use tiny spikes to check risky assumptions early instead of discovering surprise later. Add integration checks early. Even lightweight ones catch issues at the seams between components. Make testing part of your delivery development, not something handed over to QA at the end. Track simple defect metrics, where they are found, how long do they take to fix, and their impact. This number tell powerful stories. Also, shifting left isn't just about tools. It's about mindset. When developers, testers, and product people collaborate early, they build shared understanding. They spot potential issues before any line of code is written. That means less rework, fewer surprises, and much smoother sprints. Let's be honest, nobody enjoys the last minute chaos of production bugs, but that chaos is rarely unavoidable. It's often just the price of testing too late. Every bug you catch early saves your team stress, time, and money. And the earlier you shift, the more predictable your delivery become. So here's a simple action step to get started. Pick one upcoming feature. Write one automated test before full coding. Measure how much time it takes. Then compare it with the time you spend fixing a late bug this sprint. Share the results with your team. You will be surprised how quickly those minutes serve into days gained. Shift testing left. Pay a little now, save a lot later. and maybe, just maybe, sleep a bit better at night.